मोटी सांड पता नहीं क्या क्या बुला रहा था अम्मा वो मुझे।
तो हाँ गलत क्या कहा है नहीं क्या तू मोटी सांड।
कुछ ठीक नहीं होगा जब तक तुम्हारा वेट रिड्यूस नहीं होता। कोई लड़का वड़का नहीं मिलने वाला तुम्हें।
क्या लगता है तुम्हें ये सब खाना चाहिए? हो गया तुम्हारा वेट लॉस।
You know these healthy chicks, they're like teddy bears.
Why is it that the moment a woman gains or loses weight, everyone seems to have an opinion? From celebrities to everyday women, weight becomes a topic of discussion, often solicited.
साइज देखा आपने? यू
अरे जिसकी बीवी मोटी उसका भी बड़ा नाम है, जिसकी बीवी मोटी।
Hey everyone, welcome to Girls Buzz India. Today we are diving deep into a topic that's unfortunately all too common. Why do people love to comment on women's weight gain? It's a question that touches on issues of body image, societal expectations, and the way we treat each other. So let's get into it. First off, let's talk about societal pressures. The media has long set unrealistic beauty standards for women, promoting the idea that thin is always in.
पिछली बार से मोटी हो गई है ना,
तो जिम क्यों नहीं ज्वाइन कर लेती?
This obsession with size creates a toxic environment where any change in the woman's appearance becomes a talking point. Historically, women's bodies have been subject to public scrutiny. From the Victorian era corsets to the 90s super skinny models, society has always set unrealistic standards. But why are these comments so often negative? It's because society equates a woman's value with her physical appearance, especially her weight. This has been ingrained in our culture for decades, if not centuries. Social media has amplified this issue tenfold. Platforms like Instagram and Twitter have given everyone a voice, and unfortunately, some people use it to criticize others' appearances. When a public figure or even just a friend posts a photo showing weight gain, it often sparks unsolicited comments. Celebrities often become the focal point of these discussions. When someone like Kareena Kapoor, Pariyati Chopra, or Sonakshi Sinha loses weight, it's not just about health, it's a public spectacle. Conversely, when a celebrity gains weight, the media often treats it as breaking news. It's not just celebrities who face this scrutiny. Everyday women are often subjected to these unsolicited comments about their weight from family, friends, and even strangers. These comments, often framed as concern, can be deeply hurtful and damaging. They reflect societal expectations that women should prioritize their appearance above all else.
20 किलो ओवरवेट क्या हो गई? मेरे सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट की धज्जियां उड़ा दी आप लोगों ने।
The psychological effects of these comments can be devastating. Many women internalize these criticism, leading to issues like low self-esteem, anxiety, and even eating disorders. It's important to remember that you never know what someone is going through. Health conditions, stress, and life changes all affect weight. So, how can they change the conversation? Start by being mindful of the comments you make about others. Focus on complimenting qualities that aren't appearance related, like someone's kindness, intelligence, or sense of humor. And if you find yourself on the receiving end of these comments, remember that your worth is not determined by your weight. Surround yourself with people who value you for who you are, not what you look like.
I'm fat and I like it. And I love it actually. और मैं इतनी भी मोटी नहीं।
Thanks for watching, and I hope this video shed some light on why people feel the need to comment on women's weight gain. Let's work together to create a more positive and supportive environment for everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others. And we see you in the next one.